We're still here at the Citadel. We got Adidas, 70% off. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Adidas is packed. Holy crap. They got so many jerseys, just like Nike. All the jerseys are full price. But they got a bunch of jerseys. They got Mexico. They got Argentina. They got multiple Mexico jerseys. The white ones, the green ones, and then is this an alternate jersey? I guess so. They got multiple ones of the green ones. Yeah, they got like 2-3 versions of the green ones, and then they got jackets here too for $70. A lot of people buying their jerseys like way late. Yeah, they got a ton of stuff here. I've never seen so many jerseys here. They got jackets. They got the Jamaica jersey, Italy, who didn't even make the World Cup. Colombia jacket right here. They got multiple Colombia stuff right here. Yeah, and the show's not included in the promo. So regular price for all this stuff right here, 65 bucks for a hoodie. That's actually pretty freaking reasonable for, but yeah, you're not gonna wear this hot as hell outside. 80 for that one, 100 for this one. Why aren't they the same thing? 2XL 100, a single XL 80. What the hell? There's something weird with that one. I don't know, something weird about that. But these aren't like the super nice ones. I think these are like the, yeah, these are the, ooh, look at how thick it is. Materials like way different and stuff. 110, so worth it, and it has a number in the back. Grabbing this for one of the homies. He's the one who took me to the Colombia game, which was fire. Tickets were like hella expensive, so I'm like, at least I could just get that for him. They have a Japan, like a regular one right here. This one looks a little bit nicer. Yeah, this one looks way doper. But yeah, dude, got all these going for retail. Got Germany right here, got their jackets. Yeah, it is all retail, 120 for the jacket. But like these cheapo jerseys are 100. This is a throwback. And it's like way thicker. That's crazy. It's like 110. It's only $10 more. This is the longest line I've seen. It goes way to the back. God dang it. But the deals are there. I don't even blame them. 70% off the back wall. Question is, do they have any quality items? There's some Hardens right here, 130 for these. AEs, these are just grade school though. They're junior ones, 70 for those. I was like, are those SLs? No, these are Super Nova. Still not bad. 110. Ultra Boost right here. Ultra Boost 5X, 150. I already have a pair that I haven't even worn yet. One of these RC4s, I don't know, 100 bucks. So 30 after the discount. And what's this? What's this? Trippy. This is Crazy Energy. Kind of a crazy colorway. 150. That reminds me of like when they have like cars that they're test driving and stuff. Test drive, and they try to put a camo thing on it. You can't really see like the design and stuff. Looks like one of those. But yeah. So usually they have a section over. That's the men's, kids, and women's clearance section. That's it. Yeah. See what's going on the aisles where it's been like crazy dead lately. They got a generic, but it's an Audi. It's an Audi generic. VL Course. What the hell? That's kind of random. Got the Evo SLs. Multiple colorways going for $100. Just keep going and going. 100 bucks for all those. Boston 12s go for 80. You want like this type of stuff? Oh, this is 82. Boston 13s go for 80. That's the cheapest we've seen them here. This does have a little bit of carbon fiber. It has carbon fiber rods. They do it a little differently, but these are supposed to be pretty fast. We got a couple different ones right here. Ultra Boost go for 110. Few different colorways. These are the 1.0s. Then all kinds of generics, all kinds of. Do got AE2s, go for crazy cheap. And then I finally find out what these are called. Climacool Laced. I got the Climacools, that's what these are called. Got multiple colorways of the lace ones. I don't know who's buying these. I've never seen these out in the streets. And all kinds of soccer cleats right here. They do got a ton. They do got some Gazelles. Mexico colorway, the Handball Especials. Multiple colorways. They got a ton of these. Whole freaking aisle. It's a Lakers colorway? Lakers colorway. Different materials too. Oh yeah, it does. Has a Mexico logo on it. That's pretty fire. Wear this with your Mexico jersey. That's what's up. Especially for 55 bucks. Checking out the women's section. They got these Gazelle. I've never seen Gazelle like these. What the hell? Gazelle Low Pros. They got these in multiple colorways. Different material. These are the slightly different Gazelle Indoors. The regular Gazelles. Pants. Multiple colorways and different materials. Another one right here. Here. Then here as well. Oh, these are Tokyos. Got a couple of those. I'm seeing if they had those Mexico ones in women's, but I don't see them. I can check the grade school. They got a couple of the 1.0s and they have the Evo SLs for 100, just like the men's size. Just like the men's section, that is. Checking to see if they have any of those. They got this one right here. I don't think, no, that's not the same. Not the same, dang it. All right, looks like only men's sizes for those Mexico Gazelles. Dope, dope. Looking through the women's section right here. Oh, this is a double extra small. What the hell? Double extra small. These are kind of loose. Weird thing right here. Got these shorts. I think I know someone who might like these skanky looking shorts. Just because they're short, not because they're Mexican. Jackets, $80. That jacket's kind of cool. Oh, excuse me. Jacket's kind of cool, but it's 40% off. 40% off. Looking for like the women's Mexico jersey. I don't really see it. Here, this is how the women's stuff would look. Yeah, that's like way too baggy. Maybe the jacket, maybe. But it's hot as hell outside, ain't it? Nobody's trying to wear no damn jacket when it's like hot as hell outside. Got USA, kind of, sort of, not really, because they're not really the USA team sponsors. I guess I'm just getting in line with these two things. All right, let's go. I just paid for this crap and now I'm getting text messages. I might have gotten the wrong size. Fuck my life, shit. All right, I got the wrong size. So look at the line now. It goes even further. Holy crap, goes around the whole store. Line moved surprisingly quick, so not bad, not bad. Got a little World Cup. Well, technically not World Cup, but yeah, technically kind of, sort of, not really World Cup display right here. Oh, it is an Adidas, so it might be a World Cup display. Looks like they got every flag. Yeah, it looks like it. And then gotta hit up one of my favorite stores lately, New Balance Outlet. Technically it's a New Balance factory store. They do got 50% off clearance items, which means 50% off clearance items in the aisles, as well as stuff on the back wall, where they got super comp trainers right here, $180, so that's $90. $90 right here. That is pretty freaking fire. Fresh foam more right here. These are $130, so 65 bucks. $65. I think this is a women's. It's in the wrong section, but yeah, it is a size 8. But that is the cheapest we've ever seen. 65 bucks. That's crazy cheap. These are up there with the Vomero Plus, very similar to the Vomero Plus. I've been meaning to do a review, haven't been able to, or a comparison. Haven't been able to do a comparison. Keep forgetting to wear my Fresh Foam Moors to the mall. But yeah, 471s going for 80. Fuel Cell Rebels right here, 130. Super Comp Trainers is a size 13. I'm going for 180 as well. 2002. Horse right here. Here's someone yelling at their kid. It's hilarious. Was a teenager, 130. 740s. We've been seeing these for hella cheap at the retail shops. I don't see a price tag though. 90, 60s, 100 bucks. 990s right here. These are size 8. I'm not digging that color, but 100 bucks. These are made in the USA. Get those for $50 after the sale. That's kind of crazy. 480, 70 bucks. 880s right here, 130. 515, $70. Alright, we're gonna check the aisle, see if there's any yellow tagged items. This one is a fuel cell 796. What the hell? So confusing. $100. And this isn't the clearance store, so you won't see too many yellow tagged items. You'll see a bunch of stuff that's excluded from the promo as well. Most of the stuff like these fuel cell Rebel 5s, buy one get one 50% off. I think that's the only other 50% off item, these 990s. Oh wait, there's here one on the other side. Same thing, $100. And that's before the discount. If you go to the clearance store, which is I think it's technically labeled as a factory store, but it is a clearance store, you'll see way more yellow tagged items in the aisles. That's out in Camarillo. But yeah, this is the women's clearance section right here. And we see the Fresh Foam Moors. These are the ones that we saw in the men's. Got a ton of these. Plenty of different sizes. 130. These Super Comp trainers, they might come from the women's as well in the men's section. But yeah, 130 for those. What? 130? That's $65. That's the cheapest we've seen those. Holy crap. Oh, that one's different because the men's, it was a little bit more. Another Super Comp trainer right here, size 9, 130, 1570. That's like a platform version. Another Super Comp trainer, 160. Some trail runners right here, Night Trails. What the hell? I don't know what these are. Dynasoft Nitros, $80. 550s right here, $100. These are all prices before the discount, $997, $60. 880s, 130. BBW 550s. Nobody's told me what BBW stands for. $50 for those, so $25 after the savings. Not seeing too many other things. Great prices. Not the best selection, but great prices on some of the finds. And the aisles have been pretty mediocre. They got a ton of stuff that's buy one get one 50% off, but the prices aren't great because 85. So you buy two of these, it's gonna be what, 125 or something. That's a 60 something. So not the best price, especially when a lot of stuff is retail. This one's kind of dope though. I kind of like this 574 right here. A little hit of blue on it, not bad. Yeah, and in the women's section, I don't see anything that is clearance out. This is some sort of collab with Cali 8. I don't know who the hell Cali 8 is, but yeah, this is one of the 1080 V15s. V15s do see a difference. Especially in the midsole. 175. But yeah, like don't see anything that's crazy. We do got plenty of the 1080 V15s. Does that mean the V14s? We're not gonna find a ton of really good prices on those. Did enjoy scooping those up for like 50, 60, 70 bucks. Wait, they got one. One yellow tagged item. The cyclist? I don't know what the hell that is. I don't know, catalyst? I don't know. $80 or $40 for these, but I think that's it. Definitely an interesting trip. Did come up at Adidas. Hopefully stuff fits. I don't know if it does or whatever. We'll figure it out.